Hi everyone, Sharon here with Mac Senior. Recently, I missed a birding trip that had a very spectacular event happen, and I'm sorry I missed it. This is a black-crowned night heron, and they're solitary birds and don't normally show up during the day, but a whole flock of them flew in, and Ben's group counted between 30 and 35 of these birds in two different trees. And boy, I sure would have liked to have seen that. So here's what they saw, and I missed on two different trips. So that's it. And if you ever are interested in going with Ben, contact the Lafayette Community Center for information about how you can join us. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.